So one of the things that you can do is you can go ahead and insert out images from stock image services directly in Affinity as well. So to do that, you need to access the stock section. So to do that, you can go around over here onto window and then onto layout. And here you can see that stock is an option. So here you can see the stock area. So you can go ahead and search for any element that you want. You can search from pixels and pixabay as you can see right here. So let's just go around over here and search for, let's say, tree right here. Press enter and then you can see that tree related images will pop up. Simply go ahead right here, click on the image and then accept the term right here just like this. And then click and drag it and the image right here will be inserted right here just like this without having to go ahead and search it for yourself. You can even see that you can enable vector and then what happens is that vector images will pop up. So you can go ahead and click and drag it and place it in the project right here just like this. Apart from that, you can also go and select pixels right here just like this. With pixels, at the time of the recording, you don't have any option to select out vector as you can see. But just like with Pixabay, you can select out an image, click and drag it and place it and use it for your project right here just like this. And that is how you can search for stock images and insert them directly into the project inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.